Hey guys, it's me Renee and welcome back to another video. And today we are in the car, as you can see.
Oh really? We're in the car!
Oh my god. Anyways, guys, wow, look at that lighting. We are on the way to Tagaytay right now because this is our first road trip for the summer. Diba? Yes, we all care. People, they're so supportive, no?
Yeah, we are!
Anyway, so let's just keep this thing rolling to see whatever. I don't really have a plan what this video is gonna be. So. Yeah, guys.
This doesn't take any effort to make.
This is very just like chill.
Yes, guys!
Just chill. Okay, go.
I can trust myself, I believe in now.
Hey guys, it's me Renee and welcome back to my channel. So recently I posted something on my Instagram stories and it will be shown right here. And if you guys don't follow me yet on Instagram, please do. It is at ReneeAlysson. And basically I posted this picture / video and then I made a poll asking you guys if you wanted me to show you how I made my photos move. So basically from the results, 85% of you said yes, while 15% of you guys said no. Without further ado, here is how I animate or make my photos move. Let's begin! Okay guys, so basically how did I just stumbled upon this app and it's called Plotaverse, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, and if I'm not, just please correct me in the comment box below. Anyway, so yeah, this is the app Plotaverse, and when I first saw it on the website, I forgot what website it was, but it was like trending on Facebook or something like that. So basically, as you can see, it can make stuff move or make your pictures move. So let's try with, it can work with any photo, but let's try with a photo that has like water. So recently, you know, it's summertime, it's really hot here in the Philippines. And recently, I went swimming with my cousin, so I'm just gonna edit one of the photos that we picked, so this one, and I'm just gonna name it, you know what, let's not name it, I think I should move it, okay, wait, okay, let's name it Water, because you know, we're so creative. Anyway, so you need Wi-Fi for this app, by the way, so you can't edit it outside, unless of course you're using your 3G, and it's okay for you to use your 3G, you know. Anyway, so yeah, we just wait for it to load and to upload. And guys, it's so hot. I'm using a fan because, you know, I don't want the aircon to ruin the audio of this video. Anyways, it's taking really long. So how are you guys doing? How's your summer? Is it your summer now? If it's your summer, comment down below and like give me ideas of what to do during the summer, because guys, I am honestly so bored. Init talaga. So we just wait for it, basically, you know. Ooh. Anyways guys, I have so much things up installed for this channel, and you know, I'm doing really a rebranding. Not really rebranding, but I'm gonna produce more videos of more content and better content. So I really have a lot more ideas for you guys that would really help you guys out. So yeah, we're almost done uploading this. And we're good to go. Okay, so wait lang. Okay, so now that we're in the home screen of the app, so basically you see the tools animate, mask, anchor, select, and play. So first we do animate, and it's currently pressed already, as you can see. And you just do want to do little arrows pointing to the direction that you want the water to be flowing. So you just put like little stuff. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just put little arrows and stuff. So make sure that you do a lot so that it really gets everything, and you don't want to put it close to the things that you don't want to be moving. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna press play to see, you know, what the animation looks like as of right now. And as you can see, the whole picture is moving. So that's a big problem because we don't want the whole thing to be moving because our effect is supposed to be just on the water. So the next thing you do is to press on mask. Mask is basically, oh, not mask, sorry. You press an anchor, and anchor is basically you put it on the things that you don't want to move. So for me, I don't want this part, you know, the shoreline to move. So I'm just putting a bunch of this anchor stuff. So I'm starting with the shoreline, not me. Oh yeah, maybe no, let's include me already because I really don't want me to move. So you got to put that anchor down there. Make sure you get all the sides, because if you don't anchor it, it will move. So you just anchor that. Okay, so once that's done, you should see like a bunch of red boxes, squares in your picture, and then you press on mask. Mask basically just, it's another type of anchoring, I guess, because when you actually use this app, it doesn't tell you how to use it, so I had to like do my own research. So you just basically select and shade the parts or the parts of the picture that you don't want to move. So there, and then as you can make the size smaller. Make sure you really select, whether if there's like a person, you select it really nicely, because if not, it will still move. So you can just select yourself. So I'm selecting me right now, you know. And then, so it's okay to have overlaps, but then I suggest erasing them, because if you don't, you can actually see the shadow of where you selected. Like you can see an outline of the mask, and that's not quite nice. So you just want to make it look like a shadow. So you make sure you erase close to the thing that you don't want to move, and then make sure you don't remove any of the mask that you selected. And then once that's done, you just press check and then zoom it out a little, and then now you press play. And as you can see, as simple as that, kind of hard, you know, kind of put in a lot of effort, but it's really nice at the end of the day. The effect is nice. So as you can see there, only the water's moving, great. And basically that's just it. You can do it in clouds or anything, but anything that just moves and you want to show that it's moving in your photo. And then once you know you get the desired effect, you just press that button over there, export. Then you just do custom export, and then you just adjust it to your own liking, and then just press export. And once that's done, it's gonna go here to your main screen, but then just press download, which I'm not gonna do because I already did something like this. And once it downloads, it should show up on your gallery. And once you see it, so wait, sorry, where is it? Downloads. Oh, sorry, I didn't download it. Basta. Wait, fine, I'm gonna download it. So basically, when you download it, it should go to your gallery. And then done. So we go to our video player or whatever your phone's using, and there you go, that's what you get. And oh yeah, by the way, you can adjust the duration of the video in your when you're about to export. You can adjust the duration to 1 minute or to how many minutes. And yeah, that's basically it. And with that, guys, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below subscribe down below. And so click that subscribe button and click that bell button so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. And of course, please do comment down any more video suggestions. I do have many videos in mind, but your comments could be helpful as well too. And I guess that's it. So I'll see you guys next time on my channel. Bye!